Welcome to SmartTimely. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set up your SmartTimely appointment system for your business. Whether you're offering virtual consultations or in-person services, setting up SmartTimely is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, go to SmartTimely's website, enter your details, and then click Continue. SmartTimely offers two powerful templates, one for virtual consultant and other for business offering in-person services. To enhance your brand, customize your booking page. Add your company details and brand colors. Your clients will see these information in emails and reminders. Add your location, which can be a genuine place. Next, let's add staff members who will manage appointments. Enter the full name, email address, assigned location and services. Now let's add the services you offer. For example, a salon might offer haircuts, and a dentist might provide teeth whitening services. Set the service duration and pricing. If you choose group, multiple people can book appointment within same time slot, best for doctors. Once setup is complete, embed the booking widget on your website or share your booking link on social media. Before launching, let's do a quick test. Visit your booking page and book an appointment as a customer. Check if confirmation emails and reminders are received. If everything looks good, you're ready to go live. Congratulations! You've successfully set up SmartTimely for your business. You can easily connect it with your Google Calendar. Log in to Google account and boom. With our easy-to-use platform, you can effortlessly personalize every aspect of your booking widget. Tailor it to match your brand style and provide a seamless booking experience that's as unique as your business. Don't forget to select your time zone in general settings. Congratulations! You've successfully set up SmartTimely for your business. Whether you're offering virtual or in-person services, your booking system is now fully functional. Need help? Contact our support team anytime. We are available 24/7 for you. Thank you for choosing SmartTimely, where booking appointments is smarter and easier.